How to use the color wheels in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the color workspace. You will see the color wheels panel with lift, gamma, gain, and offset controls. These are essential for adjusting the shadows, midtones, highlights, and overall image brightness. Lift controls the darkest part of your image. Dragging the wheel changes the color tint in the shadows, while the slider below adjusts your brightness. Use this carefully to avoid crossing your blacks. Gamma affects the midtones. Adjusting the gamma wheel shifts the color balance in the middle range, which is great for correcting skin tones or balancing colors without affecting shadows or highlights too much. Then, gain controls the highlights or the brightest areas. Moving this wheel will change the color cast in bright areas, while the slider adjusts the brightness of those highlights. This is useful for making brighter parts pop or correcting overexposed areas. Offset is the last control and affects the entire image uniformly. Use this when you want to add a color tint or adjust brightness across the whole frame. Also, you can reset each wheel individually by double-clicking the wheel if you want to undo changes. Remember to watch your scopes like the waveform or vector scope while adjusting to keep your colors balanced and avoid clipping. Finally, subtle adjustments with the color wheels can drastically improve your footage by enhancing mood and correcting color inconsistencies. And that's it. Now you know how to use the color wheels in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.